Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Buffer for social media scheduling, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Buffer for social media scheduling, first, visit the Buffer website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. You can choose a plan that fits your needs, starting from a free version. Once you've signed up, log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll see a dashboard with various options. Next, connect your social media accounts by clicking on the Connect button. Select the platforms you wish to manage, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access your accounts. Once connected, navigate to the Publishing tab on your dashboard. Here, you can start creating your posts. Click on the Create Post button to open the post editor. Choose the social media account where you want to publish your content. Type or paste your content into the designated area. You can add images or videos by clicking on the Media Upload option. Make sure to customize your message for each platform, as needed. After crafting your post, decide when you want to schedule it. You can either choose Add to Queue for immediate scheduling or set a specific date and time. If scheduling, click on the calendar icon to pick your desired time. Review your post for any last-minute edits. Once you're satisfied with your post, hit the Schedule Post button. Your post is now scheduled and will appear in the Content tab. You can monitor all your scheduled posts from this section. To analyze the performance of your posts, go to the Analytics tab. Here, you can track engagement metrics and adjust your strategy accordingly. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use Buffer for social media scheduling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.